Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Park the Outlander on level ground, set the parking brake, and put on gloves and safety glasses before you begin. Open the hood and locate the battery. Disconnect the negative terminal using a 10 mm socket and wait 5 minutes to clear residual charge. Gather tools: a 10 mm for battery, a 12 mm and 14 mm for alternator bolts, a ratchet, extension, small pry bar, and your replacement alternator. Keep the key out of the ignition and make sure the engine is cold before you proceed. Locate the serpentine belt routing diagram or take a photo, then use a 14 mm socket on the tensioner to rotate it and slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Support the alternator with one hand, then disconnect the multi-pin electrical connector by depressing the tab and pulling straight out, and remove the battery positive lead secured with a 10 mm nut. Remove the mounting hardware. Back out the 12 mm upper bolt and the 14 mm lower bolt. Free the bracket and lift the alternator straight out of its cradle. Position the replacement alternator into the mount, align the holes, and hand start the 12 mm and 14 mm bolts to hold it in place. Tighten the bolts snugly. If your repair manual lists a torque, use 33 Nm, 24 lb-ft, otherwise tighten to firm manufacturer feel. Reconnect the multi-pin connector and the battery positive lead, reroute and reseat the serpentine belt. Then release the tensioner so the belt sits properly on all pulleys. Reconnect the negative battery cable, start
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.